Mama kwa bim sa video metro madwen si two platforms up to now 2024 no omugus ho a me generate revenue wo ho. Enti sa platforms too when na medical video abadada. Entanya dia me dem be deep too much, but when me show prove actual how me team fa so any sika wo ho and at it because platform we videos na me no dodo na me who comments no untimi nyeska bia ho a fake a say enti me who say me those kind of videos ne ba bebo amani pardon now so okay platform ni okay enti sa video ba me fa mo two platforms abo me matimi make more than 5,000 Ghana cedis. First platform ni friend Sweatcoin app we release by no here my two videos craft ho na me no nipa do na ka say untimi nya sika bia untimi nya sika bia medical explain several times a nipa do na how Sweatcoin the first work ade ba kwa say hu ni say o nantia steps na calculate ma wa e ma Sweatcoin ni top on Sweatcoin na nkasa no untimi withdraw no asiska ya fancy ma bi Sweatcoin platform no nti sa video we oye teacher ni bi oye nurse ni bi adwuma awom no utimi make friends so stress amount for bebre ni ma me sure say platform bit me about cause sa platform we amount for sign up you find say nipa more than 20 use so link e dey sign up but so ubu influencer how bi wo ha say nti say see no hwa invite since me create account no June 16 June 2022 because me create video no buy a check intimate me inviting nipa 1671 nipa 1671 no because of so use me link and edit sign up on into no matimi already ni matimi atwe sika $425 out the bagana sika ma more than 5,000 Ghana cedis e was our platform na me chefa PayPal nti PayPal na me withdraw sika no nti na PayPal so in say Ghana ha na PayPal na ye face challenge baby ba me PayPal no ka me dey no ka say for see ade manya issue kra wo PayPal no nti wo PayPal account after say what me community sika na wie no betimi a withdraw for wo PayPal account I think say Ghana for do na finding ways and means or more to me create PayPal account and I say wadamfo bi ko UK na US other country ni bia na obetimi use ni PayPal details now the address no nti kwan obetimi afa so nti we teacher ni bia minister students ni do na use phone nti no say okwa o students 200 so mu nyina sign up na nte kakra bia bo say eba activate at amount pacha say nti nipa 200 na use link na sign up obetimi anya at least you find say 800 cedis 800 cedis be able to me anya 1671 no unse matimi withdraw 425 but see no matimi withdraw $25 is because of say me invite no aso wa ha say this year no matimi nya nipa 146 mo use me link na sign up me wa kunya say matimi asan withdraw $100 at the account na just mabenya 525 mpache ata say me link be to video na so who use now the create account now we send the link na so it's coin de be ma na the man for e ho na benya sika ba onante ne de ubetimi dia akọ mo marketplace here ya mo coupon bi wo ha ubetimi ya ubetimi nya discount bi wo ha na say bia ubetimi ba mo marketplace ubetimi hu some normal bi ekokoso say ya no mo che Apple Watch SE what has in TS no ubetimi amabehwe kwan ubetimi afa so awe ni nti sa nete the second app ubetimi afa so any sky e friend sprout cakes into just how here un say $16 wa ha but $16 na medican ya withdraw $25 that nti amamehwe submit me fam ko wallet so then option me withdraw na me withdraw request no say medican withdraw a year ago me withdraw $27 e wo ha at the same time so me what $16 one meet me withdraw na we know me a mention that nya adwuma was proud gex akwan ya meet me fast to generate revenue ne say video na me ye buy am chairman for say how me fast so use sweat on me fast so use Sprout Gex at their any scanner omo mu use link no so we ye adwuma Sprout Gex for no omo mfa wu sika omo mfa omo ye adwuma ni sika ne bi enebe ma but obu ama manfo aba platform omo aba ye adwuma mo be ye adwuma wo ha me ma 5% that means say sika na matimia en na echo 800 cedis no that means more use me link na sign it up no matimia make close to 15,000 Ghana cedis that's 150 million ɛwɔ platform that's Sport Gigs. Nti sa ni na me leave link na dey ato website na link na dey ato nti ubetimi aba be check it out. When you two platforms are abo me am matimi any more than 5,000 Ghana cedis. Nti say ahwe a won say matimi show proof actual kwan a metimi fast any scan na ma sure say website ni ade bi omo work ampa. Nti ubetimi akan reviews ade bi enye scam ma radio sika no more than 5,000 Ghana cedis. Into betimi akwa check it out. Wo question do betimi leave video to video we say ma assist wo. Say the when you video na video na nkwa mu ba no correction we. Me boa. Me say share bi.